This video is going to be like nothing you've ever seen before. I'm going to show you something that for whatever reason has never been shown in this manner ever in the self-publishing, Kindle publishing space on YouTube ever. This guru is about to break the internet. Okay, so I don't know about that last part, but here's what I can tell you. The series of videos that we're starting today is going to change forever how you launch a book. See, for whatever reason, people like to keep this information behind $1,000 courses, $2,000 coaching programs, and the like. And I understand that. But I also understand there are a lot of people, like perhaps you, who can't pay $2,000 right now to learn how to launch a book. So I thought to myself, what if I just showed people how to launch a book for free? People might make more money. Then the world would be a better place. Okay, the last part's debatable, but you would have more money if you learned how to launch a book properly. So if you're down with that, I got 2 words for you. Let's go. So let me set the stage with you guys. I have just launched my first book since November of last year. It is March 4th right now. Just launched my first book a couple days ago. And I am going to demonstrate the entire process of my book launch here on YouTube for you. And when I say entire, I mean everything. I'm going to show you how I get reviews, how many reviews I get, how much I spend on ads, how much I make in profit, the BSR, and I'm going to show you every little change or adjustment I make to my book in order to scale this to whatever amount of money this book is destined to. And more importantly, I'm going to explain why. Because it's not so much the how, it's the why. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this for one reason. That my hope is you take this video and you watch it over and over again. And then you study it more than you've ever studied anything in your life. So that when you launch your next book, it's literally impossible for you to screw it up. So let's get to business. Right off the bat, I'm going to explain what I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to show you the topic. I'm not going to show you the cover or any of that stuff. Now, I would love to. Unfortunately, we don't live in an utopia, if that's the right word, of where you can do that without repercussions, because there's always idiots on there who try to like sabotage you and stuff like that. So that's why a lot of creators don't like showing their info, because there's just idiots who have nothing better to do than to try to ruin people's business. And my business makes, like, I think for February, we did about 12 grand in sales. It was only like 7 grand in profit or so. I don't have the exact numbers yet because we're still waiting on Ingram Spark to report, but whatever. And so that's why you don't actually see the book titles and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you everything else that you need to see, because the book title, topic, and all of that stuff is not really relevant anyways. What is relevant is the actions that I take when I launch a new book and why I take them. And that's what you're watching this video for. So let's dive in. This video is going to be shorter because I'm just going to set up the series of videos here, as well as give you a baseline of what the first couple days have been like. And then it's Tuesday today. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll have a video come out the same day every week. I'll have a full week's update of how the book went and what changes and adjustments I made and everything. So here are the main KRAs, key result areas, that we're going to be focusing on and comparing week to week. This is important. So we're going to be comparing the BSR, the best selling rank. We're going to be comparing royalties earned, the number of orders, the total sales dollar, the number of reviews, ad spend, as well as everything to do with ads, and ACost. So those are the main ones I could think of off the top of my head. As we get into this, if any of that changes or adjusts, it'll be documented in the videos and it'll be continued to be updated. But yes, so here's what I am going to do, because I think it'd be more fun and just more beneficial. And it's going to be a lot less work because I'm not going to have to edit stuff. I'm going to do my ads live with you in the video. So each week when I start doing my ads, the first video will show me creating the ads, and then you'll see me tweak the ads in real time, full adjustments and everything. And you're going to hear me talk myself through, why am I adjusting this? What am I looking for? Why is this, why is it okay to have a higher ACoS here but not here? You're going to see me go through this entire process so that one day you can watch these videos and you can just kick ass at ads as well. So that's what we're going to be doing. This is a series that I've wanted to film, God, I think since I decided to come back to teaching. It's something I'm super excited about to share with you guys. I've been working on this book for the past 2 months to just get it ready, and I was like, no, this has to be the book I'm going to launch and record this series of videos with. And so yeah, so I'm really, really stoked. So I'm still figuring out how I'm going to do with graphics and share stuff and whatnot. So bear with me, as this is just going to be kind of a rougher video than my normally polished cinematic things are. Okay, so so I launched the book on, I think it was like Saturday or Sunday. I launched the ebook. I could probably tell you if I'm looking at my screen right now. I'm just going to tell you. So the publication date was the 27th. So it means it actually went live on the 28th, right? And that was just the ebook. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you right now so you can take a look at this. So the first little bar up here, this is the ebook. So I launched that, and well, there's nothing to report. There were no reviews, there were no sales, there was no nothing. It was just now available on Amazon. The very, very first thing I did was I put it on a free promotion. I put it on a free promotion on Book Bounty. You can check out the link in the description to get started on that, or to watch the video on Book Bounty if you're not familiar what it is. But the reason I put it on Book Bounty right away is so I can start getting reviews right away. So I started my free promotion for it for 3 days. And to tell you how like nitpicky I am about starting these promotions is your free promotion starts at midnight Pacific Standard Time. I'm in Central Standard Time. So literally the last thing I did before I went to bed, right, was my free promotion, say it was going to start on Sunday, or it was going to start on Monday. At like 11 p.m. on Sunday, Central Time, so it's like, whatever, it's not 12 o'clock yet Pacific Time, I put my book on free promotion on Book Bounty. So then that way, for the 6 hours I was going to sleep, I was able to get a head start on people grabbing my book and starting to review it on Book Bounty. Now, does that make a real big difference? I'd like to think so. But in reality, it probably doesn't. But that's how meticulous I am with my book launches, when I really, really want them to do well. And I really, really want this book launch to do well, because it's going to just impress the hell out of you guys. So I'm really putting everything I can into this book launch. I'm also going to be trying a lot of new stuff on ads that I've never tried before, for the one reason only. Not that I know they're going to work. It's just that I can see if they work or if they don't work, and we can learn about that together. Because if they do work, then I'm going to start doing them more often. But if they don't work, well, hey, at least it was my money and not your money. Now, the second thing here, I'll tell you exactly what happened with this book, was it debuted. So I got the first sales. How did I get the first sales? Most likely it was the Kindle Unlimited sale from using on Book Bounty. I always grab a couple of those. Or I might have done the verified purchase. I can't remember. But bottom line is, the book debuted with a BSR. So when your book finally makes that first sale, and I got tagged with a hot new release badge right away. So that was a win. Okay. Then within the first 24 hours of the book, being launched, I got my first review live. So super exciting, got my first review live, and the BSR that you see there, that is the free BSR, so it does not count, it is completely not relevant at all. It's just whatever, but the book is now on free promotion, and it's been on free promotion for, like I said, 3 days. Okay, so this is a live picture of my Amazon book page. Obviously, there's some info blocked out here for obvious reasons that I explained earlier, but this is currently the live picture. So so what did I say? The 28th, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's been live for about 4 days now. And you can see the first 4 days, I have 12 reviews now, 4.7 rating. I'm not too worried about the star rating in the beginning because it's not relevant, because reviews are coming in. I probably have like a 4-star or a couple 4 stars, a couple 5 stars. It'd be a lot lower if I had anything lower than that. But I'm not worried about that because as the reviews come in, that will fluctuate. So that's all good. It still does have the new release tag for one of the categories, even though the BSR is pretty bad at 212, but that is completely fine because I do not care about that at all. Now, you'll also notice over here, I have the hardcover. So that just went live today, actually. So the hardcover probably has no sales. Yep, see, no sales. So that's just kind of sitting around doing its thing, waiting for some ad power. But I do have the hardcover. Why don't I have the paperback? Because the paperback is our pride and joy. It is our favorite child. The paperback we only release when we are fully ready to release it. So once that means I have my A+ dialed in, I do. But more importantly than that, I have my review count nice and high. Because when I release my paperback, what do I get? The honeymoon period. And if you know anything about honeymoons, you want to maximize those honeymoons. And that is why I only release the ebook and the hardcover at once. So we're going to talk more about that in future videos. But that's it. I am not running any ads because why? Put it in the comments. Why am I not running any ads yet? If you said anything other than you don't have enough reviews to run ads, you need to go watch my video on ads, because I'm not running any ads because I only have 12 reviews. So you'd be idiotic to run ads to a book with 12 reviews, period. So ads will come, I don't know, they'll come as soon as the reviews come in. That's how fast they'll come. So depending on how fast I can get my reviews, it's depending on how fast I can start doing ads, period. And when I start ads, you'll be the first to know because I'll upload the video and you'll see me running ads or turning on my ads and everything like that. So anyways, like I said earlier, I'm really excited about doing this series of videos. It's going to take a little bit for me to kind of get my footing and figure out how to do this best with graphics and show you stuff and everything. So just bear with me if they're a little unpolished, a little bit more raw. But maybe that's also just the way it should be, because launching a book, there's so many different ways you can do it. And it's not one size fits all. It's more about understanding why you make certain changes when you launch a book, and then knowing when to adjust those things and what to look out for. And that's what I really hope comes across from these videos. So yeah, anyways, if you're looking forward to this, let me know in the comments and make sure you like the video, because if it doesn't get any likes, then maybe this series wouldn't be worth it. But so please make sure you like the video so I know that you guys are actually excited about this and this is not just one of those things that I thought of that nobody actually likes. That wouldn't be fun again. So anyways, I'm super excited. I hope this book does well for many reasons, because, well, first off, I think the better it does, the more valuable these videos are going to be for you guys, and the more you'll be able to take them. But I'm really excited. If there's anything you want me to try with this new book, let me know, and I'll write it down. I'll incorporate it into my launch plan over the next 4 weeks. So yeah, because I might have missed things. I was just gonna get reviews and run ads. Like that's how you launch a book. Like there's not much to it. Get reviews, run ads. Bada bing, bada boom. Anyways, till next time, everybody. Speak to you soon.